Okay, here it is as promised. The MBFD checkout system. We need to come up with a better name if we end up using it. When you first open the app, you'll land on the login screen where you select your apparatus, whether it's Rescue 1, 2, 3, 11, or any of the combat units. You'll enter your name, rank, shift, and unit number. Once you tap Start Inspection, we seamlessly transition into the inspection wizard. No account is needed for a submission to be completed. Members can easily access the website link by using their phones, a tablet, the tough books on the rescues, or anything that can access the internet. The inspection is organized by compartments based on how we currently perform the dailies. At the top, you'll see your progress bar and selected apparatus information. If there's a scheduled maintenance task for today's date, it automatically displays at the top so you don't miss anything critical. Each compartment presents all items that need to be checked. You simply tap through marking items as present, missing, or damaged. The system remembers your previous entries for common fields like tire PSI and fluid levels, so you're not retyping the same values every shift. There's even a Check All button to quickly mark everything as present when you're moving fast. For any defects, missing or damaged equipment, you can add notes and even attach photos. The system is smart enough to know if an item was already reported defective, so you won't create duplicate issues. Once you complete all compartments, you hit the green Complete Inspection button. After submission, everything is instantly logged to GitHub Issues as a secure, permanent record. Each defect creates or updates a tracked issue, and your entire inspection creates a time-stamped log entry. You can even email yourself a copy of the inspection right from the success screen. The whole process takes just minutes, but creates a comprehensive audit trail that administrators can review anytime. Now for the admin side. To access the dashboard, navigate to the admin page from the home screen. Enter the password, MBFD support, and you're in. The dashboard has 4 tabs. First is fleet status. You see all apparatus at a glance with color-coded status. Green means all clear, red shows how many open defects each vehicle has. Click on any defect to see full details. What's missing or damaged, who reported it, when, and any notes or photos. You can resolve defects right here by adding resolution notes, which automatically closes the issue and preserves the complete history. The Daily Activity tab is your compliance tracker. You instantly see which trucks have submitted their inspections today and which haven't. There's even a 30-day submission history with compliance percentages, so you can spot trends and ensure consistent inspection practices. The Supply Alerts tab can be very helpful. It analyzes all defects across the last 30 days and identifies items reported missing multiple times across different apparatus. This tells you when you have a systemic supply shortage rather than just a one-time missing item. You'll see exactly which items are problematic and which vehicles are affected. The 4th tab, Notifications, is where the administrator configures the email system. This is where you can program and adjust who receives the Daily Digest emails at 12 p.m. For right now, they will go to mbfdinventory@gmail.com, an account I created for the purpose of this app. You can toggle between 3 email modes: Daily Digest, which sends 1 summary email per day, Per Submission, which emails immediately after each inspection, or Hybrid Mode, which sends immediate alerts only for critical defects but batches routine items into the Daily Digest. You manage the recipient list here, set daily email limits to stay within Gmail's quotas, and even customize the email subject line. There's a Send Test Digest button so you can preview exactly what these automated emails look like. The Gmail credentials to log in will be provided to you separately. Now here's what makes this system different than anything else out there that I know of. It's completely serverless. There are 0 monthly hosting costs, 0 database fees, and 0 server maintenance. The front end is a progressive web app hosted on GitHub pages, completely free. All inspection data and defects are stored as GitHub issues. Think of it as using the Issues feature like a database, completely secure and version controlled. The backend runs on a Cloudflare worker. That's the proxy that securely handles all GitHub API calls, sends emails via Gmail OAuth, and processes the Daily Digest. This runs on Cloudflare's free tier with a daily automated cron job trigger. The email system uses the Gmail API with OAuth authentication, so it's completely secure. No passwords floating around. Everything is secured through environment variables stored in GitHub secrets and Cloudflare worker secrets. Tokens are never exposed to end users. The entire system auto-deploys through GitHub Actions. Any code changes automatically trigger a new deployment in minutes. And because it's a PWA, our members can install it on their phones and iPads like a native app, or use it on the tough books or station computer even with offline capabilities. And here's the best part. This system is infinitely flexible. Need to add a new apparatus? Easy. Want to modify checklist items? Just update a JSON file. Need different tire pressures or new compartments? It takes minutes. Want to adjust email frequency, add new notification recipients, or change the Daily Digest schedule? All configurable through the admin dashboard or simple code updates. No detail is too small to fix, and no feature is too big to build. The system can scale from 5 trucks to 50, from a vehicle inventory-only app to an EMS equipment, station supply tracker, etc. Want integration with other systems? Want SMS alerts instead of emails? Want AI-powered defect pattern analysis? All of that is possible because we built this on modern, extensible technologies. This entire system, from the user's mobile device to the administrator's desktop, was custom-built for our department's exact workflow. If you have any questions, need any adjustments, or want to explore new features, don't hesitate to text or call me anytime. This is your system. If you want to move forward with it, let's build it exactly how you need it.